Well, here I am again. So this time we're going to do a cold start of the bigger pressure washer. 6.5. This one's a bit dirty because I was cleaning out the stables with it. This one's got a bit more pressure under it. A bit more pressure. Yes, that's what we like. A bit more pressure. The little thing don't work because the cable snapped off. So we won't be using that. On. I think it's got petrol. Choke it on. Petrol is already on. Oh, where's the throttle? I suppose I want that to be sort of wide open. I don't really need to choke on, but I just like smoke. Yeah. Throttle wide open. Let's choke off a bit now then. Over that top. Gotta love it. Definitely gotta love it. Well, I hope that was good to be a cold start fix for today. Might do another one, it depends if I can be bored like me. I only came here to get a bit of paper. Tasty.